The Stratco portable smoker and grill is a versatile charcoal barbecue. The smoker and grill is a great way for people to start to get into smoking meats, and its portable design means that it can be taken apart and stored in small spaces for your convenience. The many features of the portable smoker and grill allow for an easy and stress-free cooking experience. A charcoal pan and grate will catch any ash that falls underneath, leaving the area clean and safe. The adjustable air vent allows for customizable airflow. The doors allow easy access for more charcoal and wood and offer ventilation. The thermometer on the dome lid can help keep track of temperature throughout the smoking process. Assembly is quick and simple. The lower body is supported by 3 legs, secured with bolts and nuts. Support brackets are installed to hold the trays in place. Doors are secured with bolts and nuts. The upper body assembly is a similar process to the lower body. Handles are installed on the upper body. The air vent is attached and secured with a bolt and nut. Insert the thermometer through the mounting hole and the installation is complete. The portable smoker and grill can be used as a smoker with all parts, or a charcoal grill with just the lower body and dome lid. Once it's assembled, it's ready for use. Get your charcoal ready and start smoking. The Stratco portable smoker and grill is the perfect charcoal barbecue for people starting their smoking journey. It's easily transportable, and all the numerous features make this ideal for smoking all kinds of meats in all kinds of places.